Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Y5p, and I'll show you how to enable or disable easy mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll all the way down to the system and update section. Now just click here to the simple mode and tap to enable. Wait a second, and as can you see, the easy mode or simple mode is turned on our HUAWEI Y5p. And if you want to just turn it off, you should click here once on the settings, or just tap here to the exit from simple mode here, or just click to the more settings and scroll down again to the system and updates, tap to the system mode and click here to the exit. And wait just a second, and as can you see, by this way we can also disable the easy mode on our device. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.